Okay, welcome back to Dewan Trade. This is Dewan. So this channel is for my day trade recording and for my personal reflection. So it not only records my trading actions, but also records my mental status and psychology situation in real time. So so this is not for any like investment advice or anything, and we are not reliable for any result if you follow the suggestion or reference anything discussed in the video. Today is December 23rd, 10:22 a.m. PST. So essentially this is the afternoon session. And it seems we missed a lot. In the evening, this is the pre-market open, and we see there is a double bottom and cross the neckline, and there is a boost, dramatic boost. I think it's from 620 to like 750, something around this. So around 130 points. This is big. And the fallback is also big, but this is like double bottom and going up. And now this is like, okay, sideway at the channel, at the boundary, sideway at the resistance that's verified before, and then breakout. And after breakout, it retests to the previous resistance level and shows a very strong support by this candle. So now it keeps going up. And at this time, obviously this is uptrend. So we look for opportunity to go long, but obviously we cannot go long here because it can continue sideways and fall back to here, or yeah, it can directly go up like higher high, or it can have a reverse, who knows. So the plan is like we try to look for opportunity to go long, then it's like allow this line. This is a verify. On a 5-minute chart, this is a verify line. Okay, I will draw trend line. Somewhere around here. So we are waiting for the price level get back to here and look for the upward engulfing candle. Of course, if it's engulfing something like this, that it conceals most of the range, then we're not gonna continue because it's possible that it has a severe retest and this stop loss distance is too big. um, but if it keeps going up, then we just wait. And at this time, we see this dramatic uptrend. It retests to ENA 9 and in 5-minute frame. What about 3-minute? Okay, around the same 3-minute retest to ENA 9 and not defended by ENA 21. And the deep retest is like this previously resistance level. And it breaks a little bit about beneath the ENA 21. Then we just look at ENA 21, and maybe when you retest to ENA 21, we can look for upward engulfing candle. So let's wait. Don't assume that this is a resistance. This is proved to be a resistance, but now the retest is ending. It's ending by this upward engulfing candle. So it's possible that it keeps going up, like create a higher high something. But if it becomes a sideway or even a flat something, then that's something. So at any time, we don't assume that it convert to like downtrend unless it obviously break out this level, break out somewhere to here or even lower, and retest to somewhere here and shows a downward something. At that moment, if that happen, then I will do a short trade, starting from the downward engulfing candle from here. So this is the overall plan for the rest of today. And I'm not sure, maybe we don't have any opportunity to commit a trade, but starting from today, I'm gonna stick to my trading setup. That even we don't have a trade, I don't find any entry. Then I want every single trade entry to stick to my setup. In more principle, but wait a minute. Let's see. For ES, there's no such clear like proven resistance level convert to support level, something. It's like an upward channel. See, it's upward channel. Not easy to find. Actually, there is some convergence I can see because, for example, this retest, we can see this retest, it only triggers 0.6, while for NQ, it triggers the order block. It gets rejected at order block, but this, for ES, it gets blocked, it gets rejected at around 0.6 and show this one. So this is some signal that the future gonna going out. So there are some ES and NQ divergence today. Then the ES is intending to go up. That's what I can. That's what I can tell. ES has an intention to go up. So if I go long, maybe I should do like ES. And if I want to trade retest, so if the trend reverse, things gonna go down. I need to go short, and maybe I need to trade NQ. We'll see. Now let's trade during this range. 780 to 750, 30 points. So we can be a little bit big. 3. Okay, this one will be 8 and 4. Okay. Hmm. Chennai. I'm trying to leave some buffer while I'm trying to associate all the peak points, and I'm trying to leave some buffer. So you see, I'm not trying to associate all these peak points. Instead, there are some buffer. This one and this one, I'm trying to associate together. And from this chart, we can see upward momentum keeps decreasing. Upward momentum keeps decreasing and is going up, keeps going up. And the upward channel aggregates in the near future. So it's still like going up and making higher high, but it does not necessarily mean that it's still in the uptrend. Actually, while the ES is sideways in a upward channel, then we can see the, what's that? The NQ. Maybe I need to convert this to trend channel. Something like this. The angle has converted to a parallel sideway. So we cannot see, okay, ES make a higher high, so it's a breakout, no. And actually in this uptrend channel, upward channel, it's very difficult to decide, to check, to conclude like upward breakout. Yeah, it's possible that we just need to adjust our channel because this is the area. But to go to check the downward breakout will be relatively easier. Let's see. Just keep in mind, by nature, both ES and NQ are still sideways. And no trading zone. Let's see, 15 minutes. Oops, it gets overall is sideways. Is sideways. Nothing happened these 2 days. So this is already the resistance level from yesterday. Sideways and back, and this is the resistance. Gets rejected. And this is the okay, this is the resistance and this is the support. This is support. So the buyer defense comes back, bump it, bump it up, and this is the resistance, bump it to the downward. That's what I can tell. So at this time, I'm looking. Okay, let me see time frame. 1 hour. Okay, after it jump, leaves this channel, flag channel, and sideways. So I'm not sure if at this, because previously reached this resistance, it gets rejected to the downside immediately. But at this time, we see that it's sideways around this resistance level. So possibly it keeps going breakout. So when can we go long? We need to make sure it goes up. It goes up obviously and retest to this level and or maybe higher and shows the upward engulfing candle. And that's the ending of the retest. That means, okay, we can go up, we can go long. When can we go short? Simple. This is already a resistance level that proved to be so many times. That previously is support. Now we have proven to be this is something. So even if sideways is possible, you continue sideways around here. Um, Let me draw something to highlight this. So I'm not expecting it converts. In the short term, I'm not saying it will converse, but it's possible that it drops to somewhere here. Somewhere here and keep going up. But here I just assume that it's gonna be sideways a while more. That has a bigger probability. But now it seems like this is the resistance level. Hey, let's look at 1 hour. Yes. Oh, yes, shows a breakout to the upside. This is previous something. Previous. Okay. After a jump, a breakout here. This is the trend channel. Then it breaks out. So maybe NQ should follow. Is that correct? NQ should follow because ES has already breakout. NQ is arriving at a resistance level, like make an equal high and see if we can create a higher high. ES already make a higher high and shows a very strong upward momentum. Oh, break this resistance level that proved to be a previous trading day. So many people are gonna sell and cannot push back the price action to the downside. Oh, we'll see, we'll see. time frame. Let's back to 15 minutes. Uh, Stick to my plan. If it shows something engulfing, then we go short. But here, if you want to show engulfing for this something, then probably it's already half. It consumes half. So I don't like this momentum candle. It's very difficult to engulf such huge candle. I mean the candle that is almost half or even exceeds half the range of the sideway channel. Then even we want to look for engulfing reverse candle as a confirmation signal, but it does not make a very good risk reward ratio. Difficult, difficult. And in the near future, I cannot do a long trade, but um, if we keep trading this sideway, it's not easy to deal with this one unless it shows some small and some engulfing, small upward and some engulfing. And this time it's just a retest. It's possible it keeps going up, especially when we see yes. Oh yes, yes, they're in a sideway. I don't perceive this okay a higher high, so it keeps going up, uptrend in the future. No, it's still sideways. It's just the channel is upward. But let's see RSI. RSI here, RSI here, at the same level, but the price level so high, so a little bit divergence. Not that obvious. And this one, the RSI is lower, but it reaches to the same level. Mm, don't try to sell at the peak. It shows some uh it shows some constraint like the upward candle momentum. Something we can see the RSI shows some divergence to the downside. Price action, price keep getting high or at the same level, something here, or at the same level, but this RSI level is obviously not that obvious, but we can tell it's lower than here, which is a previous peak. But not that obvious. If this RSI is somewhere here, like below 50, or even here, then we know this is obvious. Is obvious enough. Then we can prepare to confirm. We can start to look for downward engulfing as the confirmation signal. But here is just minor. So cannot conclude anything, especially when we see this RSI here. Okay, it's obviously divergent. The RSI at the same level, but price level so higher. Price RSI at the same level, but um, price level get higher. That means with the same buying intention, then the price level gets higher and higher and higher, which means the buyers are big player, the sellers are relatively small player. That's how I perceive the chart. Um, and unless we see a downward engulfing candle that shows, hey, this RSI gets a peak, something like this one, gets a peak. Otherwise, even the price RSI level is here, we don't see a peak, something. It's possible that it keeps going up, up, up. Yeah, that's that's possible. Dangerous to trade the sideways market, so I'm gonna be conservative. If I'm gonna trade short, then I'm gonna put the take profit here at the order block. Let's see if we can engulf this one. But as I say, even if engulf this one, then you already, like if I go short here, then it's almost like 1-1, 1-1 risk reward ratio, and probably it's not worth the trade, especially when this 780, 750 is like 30 point. 30 point, 30 point. RSI to the lower level. So let's see how it reacts. Like the buyer defense may bump it up. Yeah, maybe I just need to leave some space and see. Okay, it's still in the middle. No trade in the middle of the range. Uh, oh, where is these three lines? How come we have? Oh, this is the uh from bigger time frame. This outlines the previously sideway market. This is keep the sideway in the top half of the range, and which is a sign and liquidity sweep and go up. Okay, textbook. Pretty much like textbook. Textbook. As long as you can tell it's a textbook, then we need to wait for like very standard setup. If it's not a standard, if we cannot match with textbook, then maybe it's not a setup. As long as it's not obvious, maybe it's not a setup, then we should not. It's very difficult to predict the next step. While it's textbook, we can see a lot of setups that is very standard textbook. That's what we need to trace. So not there to go short. See, the yen and I performs defense. 1044. So it's not a matter of patience. It's just a matter of principle. You just need to set up a trading plan and wait for the price action to show to match the trading plan. Chances are that the price action will never match. Then you don't have a trade today. Then you need to be tolerant. Then okay, I spent so much time watching here, like and not doing anything else, but I get nothing. See, okay, all my something is in way. And you just need to provide some tolerance, then this is okay. I just spend so much time, I don't get anything. Rather than, okay, I have to get something and rush into a trade and doom. It looks like this is a micro sideway, triangle sideway here. Triangle sideway, that's good. See here, trend line, after you break out, hey, what's going on? Trend line, oh, yeah, this looks like a triangle sideway. Well, this is, oh, damn. Trend line, okay. So when you break out this line, that means the retest is ending. But wait for the completion. Just prevent fake out. Wait for the compression of this candle will be, this is too huge. So check the next candle for the retest. and a lower bound and set a limit order a little bit above. Yeah, even here is like 15 points. For this 15 points, if your position is big enough, yeah, that's worth to trade. The thing is, you will never know when it suddenly gets into some volatility, sudden huge volatility. Then your big position will could probably like blow out your cow in one trade. So anytime you just stick to your position, like 5 micro contract, and for 5 micro contract, like 15 point is not worth trading. So even when it reaches here, I mean, if this candle is only allowed here, then we can trade. Set a limit order, long order right here and trade this range like 20 points. Expecting a 20 points, that might worth trading. What's going on? Oh my God. So it's still in the range. Let's see. Mhm. Never trade in the range. NQ seems want to break out to the downside of the range. All right, just grab some water. Oh. Okay, this trend line lower bound is effective. Bump up, bump up, and get back into the range. So still sideways. Still sideways. Oops. Probably I need to adjust the trend line to avoid fake signals. See, it connects all these peak points. So even it keeps keep going lower. VLC engulf this one. We cannot go long. And it's not worth to go short unless it breaks out here and then it tests here and shows downward engulfing. Okay, keep watching. Stick to my position at 5 micro, then this range is not worth trading. Let's see, yes. Looks like it's trying to go down. See how it reacts to ENA 9. I'm expecting it goes like here and then show some resistance. In that way, I probably need to adjust my trend line. Yeah. Okay, get rejected. Some buyer defense are out here, which is proven. See this strong upward candle. Some buyers are defending here. Gas back. But if I go long, yeah, the stop loss is here. And yeah, this is the proven resistance. So the risk reward ratio is not good. I mean, theoretically, you should go to the upper bound, but even the upper bound is not that. This channel is aggregating, so the range becomes smaller and smaller. So yeah, you just need to wait until it breaks. Obviously break to show some standard setup. Don't try to catch the first breakout because the first breakout is probably like a fake breakout. Gets you trapped for a lot of times. Something like this, you see it's a breakout. And if you don't wait for the compression of the candle, you go long here, then it's back test something. So always respect the buyer defense, seller defense. Something if you see this and you want to go, you don't see this is the liquidity V and going down, then you want to go long, then better at this buyer defense level together with other buyers and push it up. Yeah, make the trend line a little bit general. So we can see, okay, it's not a breakout. Unless you retest to somewhere in between, something like this, very close to year 21, then I'll see. Mm-mm, mm-mm. See the reaction here. Slow market. If you want to trade this volatility market, that's fine. Just reduce your position. For example, here, short-term engulfing match previous resistance, so you can get a short, match the previous support, and set a short something, and get this one. Hmm. What about 3 minute? Okay. Oh, for 3 minute, looks like it already break out to the outside. Should I get a short trade here? One, two, three, and let's see. 3 minute, the RSI divergence is relatively obvious. But what about 5 minute? One, one, two, something, something, something. this rejection shows there are still very strong buyer defense here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So when you if you go short, you're gonna get trapped. Mm. But the RSI divergence is so obvious in for 3 minutes. This one. We'll see. And you got retested here, got rejected here. I'm gonna bounce back. So this sideway stays on the top half. That means the buyer's power becoming stronger. Let's see ES. What about ES 3 minute? Oh man. Oh yes, 3 minute does not have any indicator RSI. RSI our ball so create. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Maybe I can sell. I can try to sell here. Stop loss will be somewhere here, but take profit will be here. Let's get on board first. I'm not sure if we're gonna retest to here to get us on board. For RSI, it seems is trying to leave the sideway channel and showing a downward intention. This is from 3 minutes. What about 5 minutes? A little bit, only a little bit, and this is very dangerous because it has not engulfed this one. So if I can get on board here, and I'm gonna take profit here, and that's worth the trade. We'll see. Even I miss this trade, I will not regret because this is a very aggressive entry, very risky, and probably it's not a good trade. It's just that it shows some symptom from ES. Okay, gonna retest. Man, ES can fool me from time to time. Oh, it bounced back at ENA 9. Oh, again in the trade. Suddenly go up. Oh, it keeps going up. Oh, that's not good. See if you break this resistance. I put a short trade almost at the peak. So if it obviously peak exceeds the peak, and I probably need to quit. Like if it close above this trend line, I need to quit. But for ES, it's just retest to the trend line, the lower bound the trend line. And we'll see here. Oops, some momentum comes in. What's going on? Some big player jump in suddenly. So maybe I can add some position here. Hey, but this sudden trigger will only happen once. It's not like multiple volatility to this level. So if this is a liquidity sweep, I mean, something like this is probably like a liquidity sweep. If that's the case, then this RSI divergence is valid. Divergence is valid, then you will continue to go down. See if it close above this line, then I'm gonna quit. Hmm. 2 more minutes. Oh, yes, yes, break, get back into the red area. That means it's probably not a retest. What about NQ? Let's see. One more minute. Okay, the trend line, it seems still effective. But this is really intimidating. Let's see this one. For ES, it's already the upper bound. If some sellers step in, then they should step in at this time. This is the right time you guys step in. Here at this level, it's not good to add. Oh, it keeps going up. It's not good to keep adding position. If it falls back, then there it goes. I'm happy with position, 5 contract position. If it keep going up, then I probably need to figure out some exit. Because this looks like, hey, sideways a little bit at the previous resistance, and this looks like a breakout to the upside. It shows some intention to go down and fool me. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, it gets a verified resistance here. Let me grab it to the middle and then exit. Oh, it's sideways here. The next breakout, it just goes straight up. And with this rescue order, then I'm gonna lose more. Come on. Oh, it's sideway here. Oh, for ES, it shows some rejection to the downside. It looks like overall is going up. So need to rescue my trade. Yeah. See, if I set a limit order right here and gets triggered, then just now when you retest to here, then I can quit with some like couple bucks profit. Now I have to wait until the sideway ends, and it's not good if it's sideway too long here. And when you break out, you trigger my rescue order, you're gonna go straight without any retest. That's something I'm concerned. But for ES, it already shows some rejection. See, it's red candle. But now it's still like retest. This you cannot conclude based on such little red something is a reversal. I hope to see a reversal though. Oh, now it is coming close. Let's see how it triggers, and then retest, false back retest. Well, then this sideway candle just here. If it's sideway too long, then probably gonna break out directly. It will never get back retest. So for this rescue order, limit order, the faster the better. But if you enter too early, you don't know where is the conservative boundary. See, it's going here. What about ES? ES keep going up. Oh, is keep going up. Looks like keeps going up. Mm. Okay, triggers. And now I look for 10. If you back test to here, I'm gonna quit 10. Okay, show you retest. No greedy, just stick to our plan. Get full. This is something here. See ES. It seems ES gets rejected by the upper lower bound trend line. I'm not sure how long you're gonna retest. I'll keep going up and I'll quit the trade. Ready to quit anytime. You never retest back to this sideway something. Come on. I don't believe. Oh, looks like this is the retest, and the retest is ending. Keeps going up. God damn. 3 more minutes. Let's see how this candle. If it's just a fake out, then maybe it's 3 candle, then it should start reverse. And let's see ES will close in this sideways range, then probably I need to quit. Not at this time, not sure. RSI arrive at the same level, but it does not show a downward candle. It show that okay, it reverse. So in this trend, then you can continue go up. And the most dangerous is like it's not like sudden high. It's like gradually going high and retest on the way, on the air. This is the most dangerous thing because this is a healthy, healthy retest. If it sudden goes up a lot, then it's not healthy. Then probably like big retest will be can be expected. So keep going up. If I'm not in the short trade, then probably I will stick to this trade because everything shows it keeps going up. But in a short trade, so now I just think of some deep retest so that I can get out of the trade. Deep retest. 1 more minute. Hmm. I mean, a yen and nine shows some momentum like this for ES. But NQ shows something like this, but it already triggers this. It already triggers the resistance, arrives at a resistance and something. This is still in a resistance area, so not sure. Okay, one more candle. Oh, this looks like a stretch, consolidation, a stretch, something. For ES, it shows some downward bias, sellers step in, but NQ is always green. That's not good. Okay, equal high. If I in the long trade, I will perceive this as a stretch, and consolidate and keep stretching. And a short trade, I have a bias on the downside, so I would say, hey, this is a star and potential reverse for this one. As long as it reverse to here, I will quit the trade. Not really. Hmm. Oh, it is a reverse. Looks like retest to yen 9. Oh, yes, keeps going up. That's not good. It's already engulfing the bearish candle. That's not good. But for years, the RSI is not reach. It keeps like divergence. But here it just keep going up because the price level keeps going up. A lot of people aggregate together to go up. And something I don't want to see happens. RSI at this level and shows an upward. It does not show us something. Hey, back. Something back. At least it's even. That means this divergence is not valid. It's just accumulating power here. Trigger this one. Yeah, accumulating power here. Every time as I reaches this line, like 50, 60, and it bounce back. And this time here. This is the RSI. It triggers 60 again and bounce back. This is challenging my mental toughness. I'm not sure if I can wait for the next like deep retest. Retest here, I quit. Because this is still a long trend and I got trapped. Um, there's no lower low. Gone. Let's see, yes. No higher high yet. Oh, maybe higher high from here. But NQ already shows some downside. Now ES shows a upward momentum. Nobody break out yet. If ES break out, then probably I'll need to quit. Oh, NQ follows the upward momentum. Oh, yes, make a higher high. It never retests. There is no reverse. Come on. Stretch, consolidate, and stretch. And this one. Still higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Mm. Now the yen 9 has already exceeds my entry price. And you're gonna retest, even you retest to yen 9 is now. Mm. Oh, it looks like sideway consolidation. Is that correct? But yes, shows some upward. I don't see any consolidation. It's just close above this range. Close above this range. Hmm. So sad. So pressure. Okay, deep retest. Give me a deep retest, please. Let me get out of this trade. Even micro loss. That's fine. If you keep getting like higher low, engulf this too. Come on. But yes, it already shows some rejection. Keep going down, please. Get back to ENA9. That's what you will normally do. Oh, the retest is, this is new sideway, and the lowest point is here. It seems 2 more minutes. Let me see this bearish candle. How long can this bearish? It looks like sellers are gradually stepping in. Step in. And I already see some backward on RSI. So when you get back to this 60 level, then probably it will retest to somewhere here, hopefully. As long as this candle closes a bearish candle, uh, then it shows the seller control step in. Mm-hmm. So this is still a resistance from bigger time frame. This is still a resistance area. That's why even here, not there to go long. Maybe I can try long somewhere here, buy like 15 something. I'm not sure. Mm-hmm. Oh, you retest to ENA9, and it looks like ENA9 is defending and rejection. ES create a higher high, low high. NQ shows seller continue to take control, but ENA9 is defending. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Maybe after this sideway, it will continue to go up. So probably I need to quit here. Yes, yes, create a higher high. Get rejected again. That thing is ENA 21 almost catches up. Now ENA 9 is keep going up. ENA 9 keeps going up. So even you retest to ENA 9, it will not probably trigger this take profit. Two more minutes. Sideway. Yes, shows upward engulfing. Stretch, consolidate, and stretch. Always consistently keep pushing it up. Hmm. It looks like some sellers are defending around here. I don't know. And sellers is trying to attack, challenge ENA 9 again. Huh. Okay. Still get rejected by ENA 9. Sellers keep pushing down. Let's see the reaction. It shows a lower high at this time. Even this is a bullish candle. It shows a lower high. So we're gonna retest to 60. RSI retest to 60 level, I guess. Oh, it gets rejected again and pushed up. 3 more minutes. Okay. The lower high, the lower high works, although it does not create lower low. I mean, ENA9 consistently defends. Some buyers are defending around here, so it cannot create a lower low, but lower high, lower high is consolidated, so this downtrend continues. Probably I can set a stop loss somewhere. For example, here. If it triggers here, that means, okay, the retest ending keeps going up. Now sellers attack ENA9 again. ENA9 has already above my entry price. That's not easy. Gets rejected by ENA9 again. Same thing for ES. And cannot engulf the bullish candle. Okay, one more candle. Let's see this. Oh, it break. Break ENA9 defense. Keep going. Okay, you're gonna deep retest, right? Oh, still get rejected. Waiting for so long for the retest, but retest is so they are so reluctant because overall is uptrend. Why I need to go? Why I go short during uptrend? God damn. So this is in an uptrend. I go short and wait for the retest. The retest is so difficult to go down. Everybody just want to buy. Let's see. Yes, gas defense. Now even. Oh, engulf. Let's see the completion. Okay, seller still like defense along this trend line seems. So this is the most we can expect. It's already perceived in ENA9. You don't need to retest to the previous support level, resistance level. Come on. Sideway market, right? Yeah, keep breaking. Keep breaking. ENA9. For years, it has not experienced any deep retest to coming close to ENA21 for quite a while. Still lower high at this time. One more minute. Let's see one more candle. Okay, one more candle. Yes, still like bearish candle, but NQ shows a bullish candle, but it does not engulf the previous bearish. But ES shows just two sequential bearish. So it keeps going down. Keeps going down. Let's see if this one can break the defense from ENA9. Now ES has triggered the previous resistance level. But it looks like the downward momentum for this candle is strong. But ENA9 still shows some defense power. Oh no, get pushed back. It gets pushed back. And higher low. So that's not a good sign. Hmm. Feels like this is sideway again. Sideway here. Maybe I should move my take profit here. This is the best I can achieve. Because sequentially, like around 10 minutes, you cannot break the defense of ENA9. Maybe in the next 5 minutes, you will try again, but it shows ENA9 is just a lot of buyers are defending there. See? It's trying, but cannot create a lower low and gonna get defense and get rejected. Oh, one more. lower low. As long as you make me like even $5 profit, I'm gonna quit. Or can you close on the ENA 9 to prove that you can break? You can break ENA 9 defense. Bounce back. ES cannot break, cannot close underneath ENA 9. It keeps getting rejected. Uh, but the Dow trend continues. So they'll be patient. It's trying again. Trying, I'm not sure how many times. Oh, you get pushed back so much and cannot close underneath ENA 9. ENA 9 keeps like rising. Oh, but yes, NR to be a bullish candle. That's not looking good. Yes, has already retest in ENA 9, and in the past, it can have multiple. Oh, it resumes up trend. So the retest is ending here. That's how I perceive. Mhm, 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 mhm. It still does not break this sideway. So, but the ENA 9 keeps rising and it performs effective defense. It cannot create a lower low. That's what I'm concerned. But it cannot create a higher high. See, this is a lower high, but this is a higher high. The first five higher high since this time. Ah, looks like buyers resume. So it's still sideways. For NQ is still sideways here. Okay, I go short below the boundary of a sideway. Now the sideway looks like the one who go up. God damn. No, yes shows some downward intention. So that's a liquidity speed. Sellers resume. Hey, yes, what's going on? What's going on with you? NK shows the upward. See? Oh, you're gonna break. It break to the higher high. So you reduce. You're gonna quit. um, so lose like 150. Breakout. This leaves me and see, okay, you got something. So do not trace the breakout. Always let it break out and retest and break out. For example, here. But here it's very easy to go long at the upper side. On 15 minute is at a resistance. So go long here is very intimidating. Very intimidating to go long here. Well, this is over the long trend. Looking for the short opportunity. If I'm looking for the long opportunity, probably like when you retest to yen and 9, then I should go in. But what's going on with ES? It seems like it's in a sideway. Oh no. Why this tour is just so fracking? I just want to draw a trend line. Come on. Okay. Trend line. Okay. So ES is still sideways. NQ shows some breakout pattern. Right. Still intimidating to go long. I mean, overall it's long trend. I need to go long, but from a bigger time frame is something. So I need to wait. I'm not that confident to go long here. Will ES breakout to the upside? Hmm. sideway and consolidate at the upper, and ENA9 performs ENA9 ENA9 performs defense and generally respect this trend line. After they break out, generally respect this trend line. Probably I need to wait for the next setup. Not easy to trade in this sideway market. Cannot be hurried. Just need to wait, be patient. Oh, 1 more minute. We'll see how ES goes. ES is currently in a triangle sideway. It seems like this is a resistance. You go on and pick me up. This is the upper bound of this channel, and our momentum keeps decreasing. And this time, if it creates a higher high, I'll quit immediately because that means this trend line is malfunction. Oh, you still want to go out? Hello? Okay, it breaks. Yeah, the trend line malfunction. I just quit. So that means this is sideway and any breakout to the upside. So yes, will probably follow. High what? Candle. I think it's gonna break to the upside. Oh, it falls back. Oh, yes, continue sideway. Kidding me. Oh, NQ looks like, is this fake out? So yes, seems like continuous side. Oh, damn. Why this is so difficult to use? Yeah, you're gonna in this way, yes. You can continue sideway, but that's what I saw for NQ and for ES. Upward channel and upward momentum keeps decreasing almost at the aggregation point, shows some resistance during the process of the candle. So I go short here. It break out. That means something. That means that's not work. That means this trend line is not effective. Then I just quit. And NQ step out of the range, but yes, still in the range. So I go long here. Hmm. But if yes, drawing something, it looks like it will aggregate. So probably I can add a complementary something here or here. Yeah, here is the real support. So I go long at the upper bound of a sideway again. But for NQ, it keeps going up. Come on. See, consolidate a little bit at the boundary and continue, resume the journey. Hmm. Oh, it does not show something on the upside. Okay, 40, 155. Okay, so goal is like get 50 back. For the first trade, get 50 back. Looks like, yeah, it's breakout. Yeah, continue up. Hmm. Oh, it's not easy to place a trade here, but maybe I can place a trade here. Sell, believe me. Oh, it got rejected. That's not good. For NQ, it's still like going up. Stretch, consolidate, stretch, and this maybe consolidate. Uh, global opportunity. What's that? Sell me membership. Hmm. Oh, it's very dangerous to increase position here because this is stretch too. And anytime you will retest ENA 9 something. But for yes, this ENA 9 is just so close. Run bin is my entry price. And something. And we'll see. Because NQ is going up. Yes, just retest to where I am. Hmm. You kidding me? Okay, this is a consolidate candle. And the next gonna be stretch. Consolidate. Okay, I just don't look at it and nothing change. That means I can relax my eyes. I don't need to keep watching the chart all the time. It's really tired. As long as know this is the consolidation overall is uptrend and just breakout. So there could be some retest to this upper bound something, but this is not this trend line is not effective. So I'm not sure, but this is just consolidate a little bit, and then keep stretching, stretch and consolidate and stretch something like that. See this candle. If it's more like stretch or it keeps retesting. Oh, bias. Review. Okay, because it has retest to ENA9. NQ still hesitate. Now engulfing the previous one. See if we engulf the previous, create a higher high. That means it's a resume. That means this upper bound of the trend line is effective. Or the ENA9, whatever defense, whatever is the buyer defense. Hmm. Oh. It seems it continue to retest. Mhm. It looks like this is my entry price has some solid fire defense. Every time it retest here, it gets bounced back. It never exceeds my entry price. See here, multiple times it arrive here and get bounced back. And one tick is like $20. That's a lot. Again, 0 points. Oops. Looks like it's retesting the trend line or ENA9. Not sure which one. Oh, it resumes sideway, kidding me. Then this looks like a liquidity spike. It just go up and quickly falls back. Go up is some like trading volume. It's not as big as this one, but along this one, for example, comparing with this one, it's bigger. And comparing this one is bigger. And still get pushed back. A lot of people are selling at this level because this is a resistance from bigger time frame, and that's what I'm concerned most of the time. And you're always sideways in this area, so probably I should not have any trade today because I'm in an area that I cannot go long, I cannot go short. Yen and nine is defensive, it seems. This line is defensive here. See when it resumes uptrend. Because I have seen breakout pattern. Probably I need to set some rescue somewhere here. Buy, buy, 14. Okay, a little bit dangerous if this gets triggered. But this is the last defense. After the breakout, this is the last defense. And it's already finished the ENA 21. So not easy to get triggered, but if it's triggered, then I need to get out of the trade quickly upon some like retest. Maybe I'm just overthinking because it's from bigger time frame, 15 minutes. Then in the near short term, if I just trying to get a like 10 point, 20 point profit, then I just check 5 minutes. And in 10 to 15 minutes, something, I get 10 points from NQ, and that's good enough. Oh, NQ keeps dropping, retesting, challenging the ENA 9 defense. Hmm. But yes, what about yes? Yes shows already even. Buyers and sellers are even at this time. Is star. Cannot add a position. And this is my last defense. Who grab the average price to somewhere here and then wait for the retest and quit with micro profit. Otherwise, it goes up and trigger my take profit, get a higher high, trigger my take profit, and good. Yeah, good. Hmm. Yen and I keeps rising on NQ and ES as well. Okay, bias resume. So this is the annual retest from here to here. And bias gradually resume and create a higher high, which is the overall trend for the rest of the day. But the last minute, especially 12:50, will be some volatility I would like to see. Hmm. Oh, NQ or this shows engulfing. Uptrend resume. What about yes? Okay, engulf the previous. Oh, there's a resistance right there. See if you can break. See if this candle can break the resistance. Okay, NQ break. NQ break. No, not even too early. Like even. Hmm. And yes, just don't move in a very narrow, like a couple of ticks. See, it's like one tick only, two ticks. Oh damn, there are resistance, seller resistance right there, seller defense there. And it's so strong. It looks like this is the trend line, and this is the trend line. Oh, what's going on? You're gonna trigger the my rescue order. Okay, downtrend confirm. Let's look at the reaction on ES21 and this one. This is the support, verified support level. But some selling power step in suddenly. Go. Oh, keeps falling. Looks like ENA 21 is defending. Yeah, somebody around here is defending. Oh, it keeps falling down. It keeps falling down. You kidding me? Oh, reverse. See the ENA 9 starts to change direction and trying to come in close to ENA 21. Oh, so this is the lower bound of the trend line. Some defense here. Hmm. In reverse. It looks like this is the new. Okay, it's not like triangle. It's like connect all these peak point. Connect all these peak point. I set it here. Pretty conservative. The rescue order should be conservative. Hmm. I should move to match the United one. Okay, bias resume control of the market. Mhm. If it's sideways around here and cannot engulf the bearish candle, that does not look good. Mm. I hope this is just a flag consolidation. Flag, something. And something like this, flag, consolidation and break up. Some flag and break up. Some flag and break up. But not sure about the end of the flag. I cannot move my rescue. My rescue order right here. That's too risky. It's actually at the sideway, the lower bound of the sideway. Ah, I will put in the real support. This is, I believe some buyers are really defending here. Even stronger support level. Oh. Mm. Mhm. Okay, flag breakout, flag breakout, and flag breakout, flag. This flag is a little bit long, huh? So I should figure out this pattern for today. And this should be the new channel. Okay, flag. Okay, and this way it should go up. And for yes, yes, just consolidate all the time because it has go up a lot. Yeah, it has go up a lot, a long way. So just consolidate. See this flag creates a lower low. Even it's a lower low, it's still flag. Unless it break our super big momentum. Sideway. I go long at the upper bound of a sideway. Hmm. Yeah, the entry is here, and I add a position. Now it's 16, big enough. I should add another position. I should add a second A position right here to move the average price here. Then I feel safe. Oh, oh, engulf. One more minute. From NQ, it looks like bias is gradually resume control, but it does not engulf the previous bearish candle. Now it's trying. Yes, it's still trying. Oh, One more candle. Okay, see this candle. Okay, NQ is moving up. Oh, shows some momentum and already engulfing the whole range. This could probably be a breakout candle. Oh, damn, too early. It's 4 more minutes and see. It gets rejected. Seller defense are right there. Hmm. Then it's coming close to 1250. How come? I just want to make like around 80 to 100 bucks. How come it's so long and it's so easy for me to lose? Like around here, I think I do a short trade and something here and lose 150. How come? If I see ES is sideways, then probably I should not trade. But ES shows clear like upward, and now it becomes sideways. Oh damn! But while NQ shows some parallel something, but it's not actually parallel. But it becomes an upward channel, something like this. Hmm. I just see okay, NQ makes a breakout. Then yes, still in the range, so I trade yes. But maybe I should trade NQ if I'm gonna trade long. I'm gonna do a long trade. Oh, can you engulf? Can you make a break? Can you leave the sideway area close above the sideway to make sure the journey continues? Journey resume. For NQ is already engulfing. Oh, gets rejected. 1 more minute. At least we engulf NQ. At least engulf this one to confirm the consolidate control. Okay, yeah, that's good. And yes, yeah, just remain this level, at least close above this trend line. 1 more minute. Oh, one more candle. See NQ is still I'll see there is some seller defense here, and NQ has not like break it out, but it has at the trend line. The trend line is effective. Mhm. Okay, the seller defense so strong. So the ES back to sideway. It seems NQ converting to a parallel sideway as well. When it's coming close to like 50, now it's 41. When it's coming close to 50, I probably need to quit, and the huge volatility is not for me. Especially in this resistance, probably like in the in the 1250, you're gonna sharp slump. Um, okay, back to sideway. Something like this, indicating a potential downward. See, this ENA 9. And when it's going up, it's so reluctant. Every single candle is so small, but when it's going down, every single candle is so huge. This is a typical pattern that you're gonna go down. But who knows? This is textbook and challenge. Okay, challenge ENA 21. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Trend line ENA 21 together. They are effective. Okay, reach here. Oh, that does not look good. One more minute. This candle is huge. Maybe I should grab my rescue order here. Okay, now change the strategy. Gonna get out of the trade, no matter what. Somewhere around here, or maybe around here. Um, previous, yeah, previous. But maybe I should put it here. That does not look right. Why is above and still like? Okay, I get out of the trade. With so um the rescue strategy works, huh? 100. That's not bad. Okay, $90. Now 45. This is already 45. And this is like sideway. Then I don't like this sideway. Okay. Yes, shows a very strong upward. Oh, NQ, sorry. Very strong upward. And still get rejected. This is like, oh, there's no RSI divergence. This is RSI divergence about say level, but higher, high, higher, high. Um, don't get in the trade. Wait for the 50, 3 more minutes. Mhm, mhm, mhm. It looks like it's going down. While NQ is trying to go up, it is engulfing. But ES already shows some momentum to go down. Buyers cannot fight back fully, while NQ just break down. I'm a little bit hesitate to go put a long trade here because even NQ has not break out and close above the sideway area. And intimidating. Yeah, 2 more minutes. Why not just wait for 2 more minutes? So I just respect this one and get triggered as expected. And there's really some buyer defense push it back. So I gonna get out of the losing trade with some micro profit. Oops. Looks like 1 more minute. I want to see the huge volatility where it is trying to go. And now NQ since breakout. Breakout. Probably I need to set a stop loss. Limit order go long here. I'm not sure because it's going up. So at the last minute, okay, okay. Some the momentum shows up. NQ breakout. Mm-mm-mm. Okay. Five, the new volatility candle appears. Looks like this is the upside. So not sure if I can get trigger, but this is where the mm-hmm, mm-hmm. It keeps going up. You're kidding me. Oh, I don't like this long rejection. Um, fine. So we trigger here. Yeah, I think it's going down. I don't know it will trigger here. I just set a limit order here and drag this to here, which is previous low. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. With that being said, not sure if you're gonna trigger here, retest to here, but for now, from NQ, it looks like this is liquidity speed. It's not engulf this one, so cannot conclude the Dow trend. But mhm. Okay, guess this support level and see if you bounce back, pick me up, or you have breakdown, and this one means the support level. This one means the support level get rejected. Maybe retest to well, this is dangerous. Okay, let's see. Oh, what happened? What happened? Suddenly something raising up, like here. 514. This is like 12. And this is like 5. Come on, all is like, how come it suddenly go up? It seems like you want to go down. Hmm. And it suddenly goes up. Some big player jump in. Mhm. It's not easy to set the stop loss here because the volatility, you will never know something a flash to somewhere and then falls back. And if you set a stop loss, you're going to get triggered by falls back on the opposite direction and move upon the opposite direction. So I just said take profit. Hopefully you'll slash even 1 second and triggers my take profit. Oh, keeps going up. Things not correct. It looks like it keeps going up. Not correct. This is new high, new high, new high. Uh-oh. High, so this is the liquidity speed, right? It shows downward momentum, something. I should not trade in the last minute. And I get both trade. Wait a minute. You never go up? You sure? You never go back? You go straight to the moon? Okay, get some rejected. ES got rejected, but NQ still shows very strong. Our momentum, that's bad. If you go up so quickly, maybe this is just, let me see the trading volume. Oh no, that's not good. The trading volume is big, so it does not look like a fake out. And even so many people are selling, more seller than buyer, but it still go up. Go, do. 2 more minutes, see where it goes. So, okay. Sellers with you. Back, we test here. Oh, 1 more minute, the last minute, last minute. Let's see. If you never fall back, hand. As long as you fall back to here, then I will quit. Fall back to ENA9. Come on. Yeah, fall back to tell ENA9. Okay, I quit. This one. Keep going down. Okay, I'm not greedy. I'm not greedy. This is too dangerous. Dangerous. Just upside, upside. There is no news, so there is no change. It's just upside, upside. So just wait for a couple more, wait for a couple more while, and get to know the limit. See where it cannot exceed, and set the limit order right there to drag the average entry price. If some of the entry price is too early and in the middle, then drag it close to a boundary, like on the upper side, do a short trade, and on the lower side, do an up trade. But this is too intimidating in the flash. In less than 1 second, it from here to here. Oh my God, that's like ridiculous. Make sure I don't have any trades. So all these trades are profit, are winning trade, but this is too dangerous. 27, 100, 102, 101, 108. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 wins. 4 wins. To lose 200. Yeah, I get 200. I get 200. Maybe 150 for today. This is my daily P&L. Yeah, 155. Okay, now just don't be greedy because it gets back and keep going up. So this is our last like survival window. Nobody knows because the last 10 minutes is already market close and you're gonna force do some correction, but now it's just consolidating and now it's like after market close and some other markets are open. I don't know. The sudden volatility just keep going up. Now I'm not gonna trade the close market. I'm not sure what market is this. Oh, crazy. Um, we will see tomorrow. Well, this is really difficult to trade. I make money by luck, not by technology, not by trading technology, trading skill. It's just really luck. So much for the day, and thank you very much.